Robinson Ridge, 66 degrees 22 S 110 degrees 36 E, is a rocky coastal peninsula between Sparks Bay and Penney Bay, at the east side of the Windmill Islands. It was first mapped from air photos taken by the U.S. Navy Operation Highjump on February 1947. It was named by the Advisory Committee on Antarctic Names, US-ACAN, for Lieutenant Commander Frederick G. Robinson, U.S. Navy aerological officer with U.S. Navy Operation Windmill, which established astronomical control stations in the area in January 1948. This article incorporates public domain material from the United States Geological Survey document. Robinson Ridge. Content from the Geographic Names Information System.